Workplace responsibility is everyone's responsibility. All businesses rely on the combined efforts of their employees to promote and sustain a healthy work environment. This workshop will introduce participants to the idea of gauging their personal accountability level via the accountability ladder. Being a positive and productive employee means more than simply arriving at your job and completing your daily tasks. Participants will examine ethical choices and what it means to be responsible in the workplace. They will compare those to what some irresponsible choices may be. Expectations surrounding issues such as time management and dealing with mistakes will be discussed, as will how to improve your level of accountability by overcoming barriers and setting goals. Conducting yourself with integrity builds trust and respect in the workplace. With practice, you will climb the accountability ladder and become a top-notch employee. This is a fun, interactive, personal workshop, so engage and enjoy.